If your vehicle is giving you any sort of trouble, or if it's time for routine auto maintenance in Cincinnati, be sure to trust your import or domestic car, truck, or SUV to the team at Parkway Automotive. Our ASE certified technicians service all makes and models at our modern facility. Strange noises, weird smells, and odd vibrations can all indicate car trouble. At the first sign of a problem, don't hesitate to get in touch with Parkway Automotive, as we really do it all. You can count on us for engine repair, transmission service, brake repair, oil changes and tune-ups, tire services, and we can even assist with performance upgrades as well as anything else your vehicle needs. All parts and labor are backed by a great 24,000-mile or 24-month warranty. Don't let that problem get any worse than it is. Just give Parkway Automotive a call or visit our website to schedule an appointment for expert auto repair in Cincinnati. We look forward to keeping your car running great for miles and miles.